Hello, we're doing another review. I've done another mod, as you're about to see. You can see this little grey thing here. It's a sound activator for my lights. So, as we're going to demonstrate right now, if we put this on at the moment, keeps the lights on. It's got 4 different settings. We've got off, on, mic. As you can see, we're flashing, talking as the lights flash. Look at that, isn't that brilliant? Another nice feature there. Or we can have it flashing. There we go, flashing away there. So, oh no, I don't recommend that because that'll just get on my nerves. So if we put it back on mic mode, as we see, it's going to have a little disco lighting effect. As we see, what I'm going to do, I'm going to try some music and see if it's really good and worth, what, 12 quid in the UK, £12 it cost just for that. Setting up was easy, just works off that little box thing. It just plugs into that. We had a little on-off switch, took the on-off switch out and replaced it with that, and no problems at all. It works brilliantly. I think I might add some more lights, different colour, have another effect to it, but we're going to try some music. So here we go. Found a tune and now we're going to demonstrate it. Wish it was a bit darker, so turn the light off. Prodigy smack my bitch up. When the beat comes up, you'll probably see it later. Come on, drop the beat. Oh, come on. We'll look better if we have more colours. And we can control the mic settings. I think it's full up. Just turn, oh maybe not. As you see, it works fine, even works with my voice. No, it's pretty good. Quite impressed with it. I think it's worth the money if you're into lightings and flashings and stuff like that. I would recommend it. I don't know, I can't remember the model number of it. Model, switching away. Oh, here we go. It's a a Sunbeam sound control, I think that's what it says on the packaging. Get it from Amazon. Well, that's what I did anyway. I think it comes from another, I don't know. But yeah, if you want that, I would recommend getting one. That's the end of the review. Hopefully do more soon. Bye bye.